Section 10.4 is graphing linear relations. So, for example, we're going to plot points and describe patterns. Dr. Seuss used patterns to write stories. One story was about a pup in a cup and 3 fish in a tree. Well, we've got a chart here to represent the information. So number of pups, 1, 2, and 3. Number of fish was 3, 6, and 9. And with that information, you can create an ordered pair for graphing purposes, where the first number is your x-coordinate and your second number is your y-coordinate. So 1 and 3, 2 and 6, 3 and 9. If you plot the points on a graph, 1, so you start at the origin, over 1, up 3, there's the first point. Next one is over 2 and up 6, and then the third one is over 3 and up 9. So there's those 3 points. Now, once you've got 3 points, you will notice that it is starting to form a straight line. And that line starts at this point. And as you move up 1 to the right, then you're moving from 3 up to 6, so it's going up 3. So over 1, up 3. The next one would be over 1, up 3, over 1, up 3. So you need to be able to recognize those patterns. If you're forming a straight line, what is the difference moving to the right from one point to the next, and then what is the difference moving up from one point to the next? So in this case, you're moving 1 unit to the right and 3 units up. And actually, when you do that, it builds, oh, my pen's not working, it builds a bit of a staircase when you do that. So this is 1, this is 3, this is 1, this is 3. And that pattern repeats potentially, depending on the scenario. We don't have information to know that it continues here, but with the information we have, it's a repeating pattern that forms a straight line. So the title of this section was linear relations. Linear means straight. So a linear relation is typically going to be a straight line on a graph. So that's the basic concept between for graphing linear relations. We've got a show you know with some information here, and in this case there's 5 points for you to work with instead of just 3. So please go ahead and try and figure that out right now.